Video 4 is going to go over the details of your graph and how you can look at two different data sets on the same graph. So we're going to take a look at this graph. Here we are in the Summary tab. This summarizes the available water in the sensing location across all sensors in that location. Now on this graph, the x-axis contains a time frame, and the y-axis contains the available water percentage. So here you can see that the amount of available water right now is at about 116.8%. So that is above the full line. As you can see, the full line is the blue line right here. Here's the warning line. Refill line is yellow and stress line is red. You are also able to zoom in and out on the X and Y axis if you wanted to look more into detail on the data. Next is the Moisture tab. So here you can see the normalized moisture curves for all the sensors in that location. Salinity tab lets you see the salinity values. If you have a pressure transducer at this stem, you can see the pressure values on this tab. EC is for electrical conductivity values. Soil temp is the soil temperature. And if you click more, you can see the RSSI signal strength and the battery values. So back to the Summary tab we'll go with. If you want to look at two different categories at the same time, you can do so by clicking the tab you'd like to look at. So we will say moisture, and then select an option along this list. So let's say you want to look at soil moisture and soil salinity. You just click the box and both graphs will appear. Now if you only want to view the top and bottom sensor, you can do so by unclicking the middle sensor. As you can see, that then disappears on the graph. And same if you want to look at the top and middle sensor and not the bottom, then the changes will reflect on the graph as well.